Alright, good morning everybody. It is Thursday, April 16th, and it feels really good to be on a drive again. Where are we going? Well, we are continuing with a barn teardown that we started yesterday. When I say we, I mean me, my good friend Cody and I, and a new friend that I met him yesterday. His name's John, and we've all three of us have been working together and tearing down a beautiful old barn here in Wisconsin, 130 years old. It was collapsing, rotting, and it was time to save what could be saved. And although it's very labor intensive, it's kind of like that like moment of labor of love, because like every single like thing that you tear apart in this barn exposes like another layer of history 10 years later, signage. I mean, everything structurally in this entire barn was hand-hewn by their family. So it's just a very fun project. Yesterday on my way there, I just didn't have that vlogging spirit fired up just yet, whereas today I'm really feeling it. So let's just recap what we got done yesterday. Here you go. All right, here we are on Wednesday, April 15th, doing something new today. We are scrapping out this barn and tearing it down. Look at this thing. How old did he say this barn was, Cody? 130 years old. It's my good friend Cody. If you ever need anything built with barnwood, he's the man. He's also the guy making me hurt myself today. But yeah, check this thing out. I got a really sweet time lapse going of all of our work also. Not too shabby, eh? All right, let's hope we can wrap up this job without getting hurt. have successfully helped tear down a barn. We got some work left for tomorrow, but definitely got a lot done today. And that was some grueling work. But talk about a piece of history. That barn has been there for a very, very long time. And the family whose barn it was pretty much out there the whole time, just spectating and talking to us. Very enjoyable people all around. That barn sounds like it has a lot of history in their family. So beyond that, I am excited to be home. It's about an hour drive, and I am tired right now. Very, very tired. Like if somebody else is driving, I'd probably fall asleep right now. But you know, not only do I need the money, but it felt good to just be out of the house and working, using my hands and making the muscles work a little bit. So we'll be back tomorrow, and excited to put all this together for a really awesome video. Stay tuned. Here's the barn. We're getting to it right away. Some nails pulled out, and in the next couple of hours we're gonna be tearing this entire barn down. Should be pretty fun.
Drop. Thank you. You want to go climbing? All right, you're going climbing. You like climbing.
Now when there's a structure about the top of my head.
Nah, you're fine. I promise.
Where are you trying to tie it up to?
I want you to wrap it around this beam.
Bro, I think that's it.
Your tractor's like this.
Jumping a little. I did good. Woo! Not how I wanted it, but whatever. Well, here we go.
Your hay trolley.
She's down.
I can't get to it yet, but
look at that.
Just so you know, Dwayne.
Lots of hard work went into knocking this thing down.
Oh, okay. Right there. Yep, thank you.
And we're still gonna get all these off. These are all worth a lot of money, and we weren't able to access them when they were up high yesterday. So we're gonna pull all of this down also. And then we're gonna call it a day. This has been a lot of work. But hey, beautiful blue sky, sunny. Not too warm. Yeah, check this out. I can do that with
my
it.
ultimate goal, but I was hoping we get more beams out first, but that's all right.
Oh, you got a little toy over there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I feel way safer on this than that floor. Because at least on this, the water just dripped down versus sitting on.
Well, the barn is down. And that was pretty crazy. Never done anything like that before. So my friends ran into town to get some food for lunch. I came prepared. Cheers, girls. Snack sticks. But I don't think I brought a knife. I think this one inside the truck though. It is time to go home for second day in a row. I'm exhausted.